Supreme Court was today informed that several air quality monitoring stations in Delhi were non-functional, resulting in missing AQI data across the city. The court was informed of media reports flagging the non-functioning of air quality monitoring stations across the national capital. Amicus Curiae senior advocate Aparajita Singh urged the court to direct CAQM to immediately file a report on preemptive action, reminding that the court's earlier order had stated, quote-unquote, "You will not wait for the pollution to turn severe, you will preempt." The amicus warned that if the monitoring stations are not even functioning, we don't know when to implement GRAP, pointing out that only 9 out of 37 stations were fully functional on Diwali's day. Supreme Court came down heavily on authorities over the worsening air pollution crisis in Delhi NCR, directing the Commission for Air Quality Management to file an affidavit. A bench comprising Chief Justice of India B.R. Gavai and Justice K. Vinod Chandan was hearing a batch of environmental pleas in the MC Mehta case when it issued the directions. CAQM Council informed the bench that a report had already been filed earlier but could not be taken up for hearing due to lack of time. The ASG Aishwarya Bhatti, representing the state agencies, assured the court that the required report would be submitted. The court also recalled its October 14th order in which it partially relaxed the firecracker ban in Delhi NCR, allowing only green crackers on a test case basis for Diwali. The court clarified that the relaxation was only temporarily and conditionally implied, emphasizing that the authorities must act proactively to ensure the situation does not spiral into another pollution emergency.
With dipping temperature and stubble burning in neighbouring states, the air quality index continues to worsen in Delhi and NCR. I'm here at Kartavya Path and behind me you can see it's India Gate and Amar Jawan Jyoti. It's broad daylight, but still if you look clearly then the visibility is low. The building of Amar Jawan Jyoti and India Gate is not clearly visible. Also, if I talk about the air quality index here in this area, then it's above 300, which means that prolonged exposure could cause serious respiratory illness, and this is which has been mentioned on Sameer application. Also, if I talk about some other areas in Delhi, then Bhavana, Wazirpur, Anand Vihar, Ashok Vihar, these areas the air quality index is above 400, which falls under severe category. Now the situation is quite critical, and remember viewers, every time during winter after festive season this happens, pollution becomes the focus point. People of Delhi are forced to breathe in the toxic gas chamber. Also, GRAP2 measures are already being followed, and as you can see behind me, water sprinkler tanks have been deployed in several key areas to tackle pollution. And also, as the temperature continues to dip, then air quality could further worsen because of the pollution, dust and smoke to not settle, and this can create a further severe situation in Delhi and NCR. With camera person Vijay Parna Jha, News 9 Time.